A civil proceeding commences with the plaintiff filing a statement of claim and then serving it on the defendant. Service usually means either giving the document to the defendant personally or else placing the document down in their presence if they refuse to accept it. Often, service is undertaken by a professional process server with expert knowledge of the procedure. In this case, Miss Pino had a personal injury claim against Prosser and Hassan, but service of the claim had been left until the very last moment. They placed the claim in the hands of a process server who attended Hassan's residence and was told he was at work. Instead, he left the writ with Hassan's wife. Ordinarily, this would be defective service, but in later correspondence, Hassan admitted that his wife had given him the claim on the same day that it was served. Still, the document had not been personally served, so Hassan tried to have it set aside. Justice McInerney went carefully through the case authorities and noted that the true purpose of service was to ensure that the defendant was aware of the claim against them and had an opportunity to raise a defence to that claim. This had been accomplished. His Honour said, "I am satisfied that in this case the writ, although left with the defendant's wife, came into the possession of the defendant Hassan on the same day, and this, I am satisfied, constituted good personal service." At common law, this case therefore became authority for what is called indirect service, where service can be effected by leaving the document with someone close to the defendant, who then provides the document to the defendant. In Queensland and in other jurisdictions which apply the Uniform Civil Procedure Rules, the principle in this case has been written into statute in Rule 117 entitled Informal Service, which states, if a document is not served as required by this chapter, but the document or a copy of it came into the possession of the person to be served, and the court is satisfied that the document came into the person's possession, the court may, by order, decide that the possession of the document is service for these rules. It's obviously always better to actually personally serve the defendant, but if that's not possible, the key requirement is that they receive notice of the claim against them.